Meet BLEShark Nano, the wireless testing tool you've been waiting for. Sleek, powerful, and packed with features. The BLEShark Nano is your ultimate all-in-one multi-tool. Take control of your surroundings. With just a tap, flood every Bluetooth device around you with connection requests. Compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows devices. Create hundreds of Wi-Fi networks in seconds. Choose from rickrolls, random ones, funny names, or your own custom creations. Take control of Bluetooth devices with bad BT injections. The BLEShark acts as a keyboard, allowing you to send custom commands and scripts instantly. Create your own Wi-Fi network and instantly set up a custom web page on it using a captive portal. In this demo, users simply verify their email, and the BLEShark saves it. Need to get away quickly? Hold down both the left and right buttons for half a second, and boom, you're instantly in Flappy Bird. Effortlessly access and read your notes anytime with the Text Viewer app. Optimized for crystal clear readability, even on the tiny display. Boost your productivity with the mini keypad app. Assign up to 8 custom commands to streamline your workflow and take control like never before. Enjoy your breaks with the TikTok scroller. Just connect to the BLEShark and you're set. Scroll, pause, or like any video without touching your phone. It's not just for work. The BLEShark Nano comes preloaded with games. Some games include Flappy Bird, Space Invaders, Pong, and a breakout game. Take complete command of your BLEShark with the extra settings mode. Simply connect to the BLEShark's Wi-Fi network first, then make sure the password and username are identical with the BLEShark. Customize Wi-Fi networks, security settings, packet delays, captive portal stuff, update settings, and notes and scripts. Tired of old firmware? Don't worry, we got you covered. Keep your BLEShark up to date with ease. With an automatic update checker, you'll never miss out on new features. The BLEShark keeps you powered for up to 10 hours with the massive 500 mAh battery. Everything is securely held together with a textured case and screws. The BLEShark Nano runs on the powerful ESP32 chip, delivering fast and stable performance every time. Equipped with a crisp OLED display, the BLEShark Nano provides clear and easy-to-read information at a glance. Join us on Kickstarter to make wireless testing simple, affordable, and fun for everyone.